Welcome back to another workout. My name is Manny, and I will be your fitness instructor for today. Follow along as I take you through a nice and easy push day workout. We are starting today's push day workout on the Smith machine, doing an incline bench press to hit the upper chest, hit the shoulders and the triceps as well with this movement. In today's workout, each exercise will be done with 3 sets of 15 reps and 1 minute rest periods in between each set. After hitting the chest, we're moving on to the shoulders with a shoulder press. Make sure to engage your core during this movement. We're going to hit the shoulders with this, but it also hits the upper chest and the triceps. After the shoulders, we are moving back to the chest with a hammer chest press, but this exercise also targets the triceps quite a bit. We're going to bring in the dumbbells at the top to really focus on the contraction of the pecs. And that concludes our workout for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fitness content. And as always, stay tuned and thank you for watching.